It's a Wednesday, so happy Wednesday to you all. So we are currently working, and it is now 2:53 in the afternoon. Oh, somebody just subscribed to my channel. New subscriber, my first time here. Nice vlog. Ooh, I'm gonna check them out because based on their name, it seems that they may have a channel at then Sats family. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm gonna check you guys' channel out. Anyways, it is 2:54 in the afternoon. Like I said, we're working, but we got two packages and I want to show you to you guys. So these packages are from Shein. By the way, I do have a Shein code, so I'm gonna put the code on the screen. You just punch in that code on in Shein, and then you can just shop, add to cart, and then check out anything that you use my code. Once you use my code to search and whatever, you guys will be able to help me out make a coin. It's a commission. Also, my other affiliated links, which is Amazon, Epidemic Zone, you guys can also support me that way. Now my Amazon link, I don't get cash. I don't live in the US, but I can get, like, money. What do you call that? I can have money in my Amazon. I can cash out, so it's still money, but it's just money in my pocket. So the Shein would be money in my pocket. Epidemic Zone is also the same thing like Amazon. I don't get money directly. However, you guys may, if you use my affiliated link or my referral code from Epidemic Zone. Epidemic Zone is where I get my most of my music from. Those slow jazz music. Those where I find my music from. Yeah, you can support me that way, and who knows, if you sign up and all of that, if I reach certain amounts of people who sign up, then I may get a free month. By the way, Epidemic Zone is $17.99 per month. It's a whole lot of money. Okay, if you are Jamaican, I use Epidemic. I pay them via PayPal. You can add your local card to PayPal, and then you can shop Epidemic Zone that way. If your local card, if you don't use your local card, I don't remember if they accept your local card, but you can pay through PayPal. Anyways, let's get into these packages. Now, I have been wanting to change my shower head to rain a shower in my bathroom. So I did cop me some bathroom products from Amazon. So I was thinking I wanted black. My face basin piping is black, right? There's black fixtures within the bathroom. But inside the shower, it's silver. The piping, to turn on the pipe, it's silver. So I'm like, yeah, I'm going to stick to silver. I'm not going to stick to black. I don't want to have black and silver in the bathroom, even though it doesn't matter. My shelving in the bathroom is black, but eventually I think I'm going to change to silver. So everything within that the shower area is silver. Anyways, I can't remember how much inch it is, but I will drop this link below I will drop the link below of the stuff that I bought. But this is my rain shower head. Oh, it's not too big. It's one of those small ones. So I will, use this for now. Oh, I can see myself. Look how nice, guys, am I beautiful? Beautiful with and without makeup, right? Thank you, Lord, for that. Yeah, so these are the silver piping appliances. So I got everything. I literally got everything. I got let me see, I got the divider, the water divider, so it can hold both shower head and the rain head and the handheld. So I everything came into this box, which is great. But the other day I spent almost $3,000 for a water divider. So I guess I could have waited. Guys, but it's okay. But I have two water dividers, which is great. So I can just put up one for future. So if you don't know, this is the water divider, which can hold the rain shower head and the handheld. Oh, I'm gonna use this one instead. This one you can turn on the water for the handheld. But the current divider that I have, it's a button, it's press and pop out. So I think I'm gonna use this one instead of the one that I purchased the other day. No, the next item that I bought, I haven't pulled it yet, but it is a dish drainer. No, guys, since I've moved here, I'm in a very, very tiny apartment. Like, the living area, the bedroom has a great size. The bedroom is definitely not small. Holds my queen size. Even if you have a king bed, it would have definitely held the king bed. But the living room area slash kitchen, guys, is so tiny. Um, I had to sell my couch, you guys. If you have been watching my channel, I had a beautiful couch that I purchased from Active Traders a year, almost 2 years ago, but I had to, get rid of it because it was too big for this space. So the other day I bought a love seat. That's what I'm sitting in right now. And I am planning to get an island with storage. You guys would see that. No, that island, I saw it on both Amazon and Shein. And of course, Shein is kind of cheaper, so we're gonna purchase it from Shein. I saw reviews and I saw pictures of Shein on it, and I was like, yeah, it looks the same, it is the same, and it looks good. So we're gonna get that from Shein instead. Now, mind you, it's over $100, so that's based on the price. It's gonna cost me around 20,000 Jamaican. I think it's 130, 129 USD, which is around 20,000 Jamaican or more. And then after it gets to Jamaica, I'm gonna have to pay money for it again because it's over $100. If you do not live in Jamaica, or if you're in Jamaica, you know that our stuff, when we purchase stuff, we use a third party company to bring in our stuff in Jamaica. It does not come off our front door. Even though, granted, there are some items on Amazon you can put in your local address, meaning your Jamaican address, and it's, I think, DHL or another courier comes to your front door. But majority of the items you have to use a third party to bring it in. And if your item is over $100, you have to pay customs fee. So when I get that table, it's gonna cost me an arm and a leg. And the table that I want, I've been looking locally to see if I can find it, but it's not here. And the ones that I see here, they're too big, or the price is ridiculous. So we're gonna purchase our stuff online, and we're just gonna pay whatever the price is for. But anyways, back to the dish strainer. I've been using, ooh, my light is dead, guys. So if the lights ain't changed, y'all know. So I've been using a dish mat instead of a dish drainer, and the reason for that is my kitchen is so tiny. Like, it is so tiny, so that's why I've just been using a mat. And I've been here for over a year now. I've been using a mat instead, and it works for me. But I was like, let me try the dish drainer. So hopefully it's tiny enough and it doesn't look too crazy on the counter. If it looks too crazy or it's too big, we're not going to use it. We're going to just use like our mat until we find a dish drainer that's like smaller. But based on the pictures, it looked like the size that I want. But we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna put it together, and hopefully it works for my counter. If not, the girl just gonna have to give it away. So let's get into. We're gonna open the dish drainer, fit it up, and then wash it, because you gotta wash. Like, it's gonna put my clean plates in it. So I'm gonna wash it. Then after, we're gonna move to the bathroom and set up our new. It's a bathroom stuff. So we're putting this place slowly but surely. We have so much other stuff to purchase, because I am going to be here for this year. I don't know if I'm gonna, well, if I can. I don't know if I'm gonna be here 2027, but every place that you are in, I know you want to make it feel homey, no matter if you know the time is limited. You just want to feel comfortable in a space, and that's where I'm at right now. I've been here a year, and I'm like, it is time to get this place together. Really. Anyways, I need a living room. I'm burning. I'm gonna have to turn on the fan. So let's set this up. And y'all know, I told y'all, once I'm in this living room area, you're gonna need a fan. It is. Oh, oh my god. Anyways, let's get into sorting out our packages right now. Guys, let me just say, I was just replay my video because remember, I'm using the back of my camera so I can't really see. I'm using the back of my phone to flip, right? I can't see my face. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really looking back at what we just did. I told you about packages and stuff, and the phone, I look so blurry in the video because it's not focusing on my face. I am, oh my god. We're blurry, but please forgive me. Please forgive me. Anyways, let's get into this try to figure out is this trainer thing. Guys, so this is the mat that I've been using for over a year and it works perfectly. Just know, as you can see, it's very tiny. My space is very tiny. Don't mind my dishes. So we're gonna set up this dish rack, and hopefully it works perfectly here. I think I may have to turn it this way, but let's see how it goes. Alright guys, I don't think it looks bad. You have this for the water to, leak out, and it's not looking too bad. I actually like it and it fits the spot, as you can see. I don't know if I like this. I think it's a little bit too much. Wonder if I can put it here instead. Yeah, I'm gonna place it here instead, or on the inside actually. Yeah, I prefer it on the inside. Perfect. Yeah, on the inside. I mean, put it at the side here. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yeah, this looks way much better than I thought. Yeah, put it at the side instead of it hanging over. It just looks so tacky. So this is what I'm gonna work with. It's not bad. Oh, amen to me getting at this drainer, guys. All right, we're gonna move on to the bathroom next. All right, guys. So it is, think around after 9 o'clock in the night. Now, remember I told you after I put up the dish rack, I was going to go in the bathroom. I could not do that. I had work to do. I had a lot of work to do today. So I was like, you know what? When I'm finished with class tonight, I'm just gonna do this. So now it's that time. Mostly I'm gonna do this for, my TikTok short form content. This is why we gotta get a camera, because we had a camera. This tripod that I'm using, my phone would be at top, my camera would be at the bottom, and we'll be doing things, Anyways, we're getting there. We're gonna get there. Anyway, by the way, I just ate. Bam, I'm just gonna show you a picture of my dinner. Like you're really swell. The next thing, thank you guys so much for commenting on my videos. So I posted a video, was it yesterday? Yeah, about my 5 hours journey and my weight loss. Where I tell you, for months and months I've been telling you guys I'm so skinny, and the reason for that, I'm just eating healthy. I'm off the rice for the most part. I'm off the rice like 90% for months now. The 5 hours journey, I've been drinking herbal tea. I've just started a new tea. Talk about it. I'm gonna drink that tonight. I am currently on the lady, so I don't know if I should drink it. I forgot to call them today. Oh my god. So I'm not gonna drink it. I'm just gonna have green tea tonight, because I didn't have any tea at all today. So I'm gonna have green tea tonight, and I'm gonna call the store tomorrow to find out if I can have this tea while on the lady, aka menses, for the men who don't know. But anyways, yeah. But again, thank you so much for the comments. I saw Chev, I saw D Traveler, giving me some pointers and all that. So I appreciate you guys. Now let's set up the shower. You're just gonna see like a piece of it because this video is mostly for TikTok and YouTube shorts. By the way, tomorrow is Friday. Thank you, Jesus. Did I tell you guys I'm going to Jamaica Food and Festival? So this is like it's an all-inclusive. I think it's food and drink, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to fill my belly tomorrow. Am I gonna eat? I want to go early too. Am I gonna eat? Well, I'm gonna have like a little late lunch, probably like around 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock, have a late lunch. So by 7, 8, when I'm leaving out and reach the event, I should be good. My belly should be empty and ready to intake all different type of food. And of course, I'm gonna bring you guys there. All right, talking too much. Let's get into this video. This little black line that you're seeing, this is literally my line. It is my line, because sometimes if I go to the laundromat, or well, not the laundromat, because when I go to the laundromat, I always go in the morning, and by around 1 o'clock I'm done. Or around 1 o'clock I'm normally done, and I hang the clothes on the line, and the clothes will be dry like I pick it up 5 o'clock. I don't let my clothes sleep outside. Mainly, like I said, I'm living in a triplex, an apartment building, and I don't know. And also, there's a tree over most of the line, so the bird time, my daytime and nighttime, yeah, I don't leave my stuff out there. So yeah, I created a line, 2 lines here in my bathroom for now. Also, I do need to buy the clothesline on Amazon thing because it's retractable. You put it where you're ready to use it and bam. So this definitely looks tacky, but for now we're gonna let it stay.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes.
Alright, so I'm finished setting off the shower head and the handheld, but I put the handheld a little bit too high to the shower head, so it's not looking great. I was trying to take off back the sticker that's on the shower head, but if I take that off, it's not gonna stick, and I don't have anything to stick it. So I was like, let it stay. And yeah, so far it's good. I'm just gonna need a bigger shower head, so I am gonna buy a bigger shower head probably in a few months coming. Like what I have right now, it's okay. But I think I need a bigger one. Like, the bigger the better, right? Anyways, we are going to shower. It is moving on to 10 p.m. in the night. And I'm tired. So, hold on. This looks clean. Yeah, so I am extremely tired, guys. Let's just say it. I am tired. So we're just gonna shower, watch. Oh, I started watching a Netflix series, guys, and I don't remember the name of it, but when we're gonna watch it tonight, because we're gonna watch it tonight together while I'm drinking my tea, then we'll talk about it. But I like it. Like, oh my god, you do not know what time I went to bed last night, like after 2 a.m. in the morning. I need to do better. I'm getting 6 hours of sleep because I'm up watching Netflix, and I really need to start that. And I work remotely, guys. I work remotely. I need to stop it. All right, let's go because I'm tired and we need to unwind. Today was very stressful. Work was very stressful, okay? Work was extremely stressful. Thingy. Yes, so I need to do my hair. Guys, I feel like I want to braid my hair because I told y'all I'm way natural. I want to braid my hair. Like, I think that's what I'm working with right now. Braiding. That's what I really feel to do. But we're gonna figure this out next week. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with our hair. Since we're going, I already had plans to go to the food festival tomorrow, so I didn't want to like pull out my hair this week because it's really like my body's teaching me to pull out my hair. Like it's over with. I had this in probably like a week before my birthday. Like it's done for. Excuse me, worse. The quality is trash. So yeah, we're gonna fix some ourselves next week. Our nails need to be redone. I think I want to take them off and give my nails a break. Yeah, I kind of miss biting my nails. I'm a nail biter, if you guys didn't know that. I can't bite my nails because it's stupid thing in my mouth. I've totally forgot. Like, it's been so hard to not bite my nails. But what I do, I'm not gonna tell you guys what I do. Like, I have a weird thing with my nail. I'm not gonna tell you guys. But just know, I like to bite my nails. All right. That's it. So you guys would not believe it. It's literally after 11 p.m. in the night. We did make our green tea, right? So I was cleaning. Remember I told you I'm going to a food festival tomorrow, so one of my friends is staying over. So I sweep and wipe out the place. Are you guys like me? Whenever you know you're gonna have a guest over, you clean your bathroom, you change your sheets, you know, you wipe the floor and stuff like that. Not saying that your floors are dirty, but like you just do a spring cleaning because somebody's sleeping over your house. Do you guys do that? Like, I am a sucker for it. Like, my bathroom needs to be clean. I cleaned my bathroom, I think it was Sunday. Today's Thursday, and I cleaned my bathroom on Sunday. I am gonna wash this out again tomorrow. Just get some the spray. I probably won't use any bleach, but I'm gonna use I have some disinfectant things. I'm gonna spray that and then just use soap and water and just, box out the bathroom a little. You know? Clean the toilet off of course. Clean the face basin. Wipe the mirrors. Bathroom mirror and mirror in my room. And like I said, I clean the floors. I changed my today's Thursday, so I changed my sheets. I think excuse me, I think I changed my sheets with I think it was Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday. I changed my sheets, but I'm gonna change them again tomorrow. Seeing that my friend is staying over. Does anybody do the same? Like, I can recall one other time I went over to one of my friend's house and someone was staying with her. She knows the person is coming over to her, and you would not want to see the filth of the bathroom. She didn't clean the bathroom. There was hair all over the place. The bathroom was just nasty. And I'm like, girl, our friend is sleeping over. You could have cleaned up. The floors are not clean. I'm like, no. When you know somebody's coming over, you clean up. Whether it's a friend, your friend will come over 10 times, you still do the spring cleaning. If it's your partner. Well, as it relates to the sheets though, if it's your partner, you may not, depending on how long it's on your bed for, then you still change it. But like I said, I changed my sheets Monday, Tuesday, and I'm going to put on new sheets, just fresh bedding, just for the person, So yeah, I don't understand people who don't clean. I just think it's like, if I go for a friend house and they know I'm coming and instead of them not even, I say no, girl. Ugh. When it comes out to bathroom, I'm like very icky about it. Like bathrooms, when I go to hotels, like bathrooms are one of the first places I look at. The bathroom ain't clean. I look at the bathroom, I look at the sheets, lift up the sheet and look, because I'm just kind of sticky like that. I'm not a monk, but there's just certain places that just needs to be clean, and bathroom is like priority. But anyways, we're watching, the show that I'm watching now on Netflix, it's called The Millionaire Bunko. Like, I didn't know, I've seen it for quite a few weeks and I'm like, this looks stupid, but I'm so glad I clicked on it. I like it. I actually like it. But anyways, we're gonna finish drink our green tea, and yeah, I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the night. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when I'm getting ready to go to the food festival. By the way, I figured out what I'm wearing already. Yeah, I know what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a jumpsuit and sandals. My toe needs to be done, so I may go get a repolish tomorrow. I know my nails needs to be done, but I'm not gonna do my nails. I think I want to take them off. I don't know. I'm gonna see how tomorrow works, but I'll figure this out in the morning. Don't tell me they're gonna start dating. Like, this dude was dating the sister. She died. Like, I don't want to go into the series much because you guys may watch this or is currently watching it. But I feel like he's gonna get involved with a younger sister. Like, no. And she's like attracted to him. Like, girl, that's you. That's your sister's ex. Like, no. So it's time to get ready for the food festival. Remember I told y'all my friend should be coming over. That didn't happen again, so she's not here. But nonetheless, she's gonna meet me at the venue. So I'm getting ready. I'm already like starting my makeup and everything because I just want to be there. I don't want to get there too late. Let me tell you, that event is gonna be crowded. Okay, it's gonna be crowded. But I just wanna like hurry up and get ready and all of that. So we're just gonna quickly do our makeup, and I'm gonna show you guys a fit. Like, rain really looked like it wanted to fall today, and I'm super glad it did not fall because the event is keeping on grass, right? And then I'm planning to wear my sandals. Sandals and grass do not mix, okay? So I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna have to wear my jumpsuit with my sneakers because I am not changing my outfit. Like, I am not changing my outfit. So it was like, what's the name? What was my jumpsuit and sneakers? That was about what I was going for when I saw like the rain seemed like it wanted to fall, but it didn't. But I did hear that it fell near the venue side, but it was like light rain. So it should be okay. My friend said she's gonna get there before me. I said she's gonna wear sandals. So when she gets there, I'm gonna find out from her, like, hey girl, is the grass okay? You know, because the rain fell lightly down that side. So hopefully, she said it's all good. And it should be fine because she said it's light rain, you know? It's not like heavy rain, but heavy rain, I would have definitely like wore my sandals, but it should be okay. Everything should be fine. I was rushing as usual, guys, because the girl don't want to be late. I just don't want to be late. Okay. I'm not late actually. The event is either from 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. or 8 to 12. I think it is 7 p.m. I don't remember, guys, but let me just stop babbling and just hurry up and get ready. Alright guys, so I'm ready to head out. I don't think you guys can even see me. And it looks very dark. So I'm just gonna turn around my phone and show you guys the fit. It's 9 o'clock right now and we have to head out. My friend is arriving soon and I spoke to her not too long ago and she said there's traffic. The event starts at 7 or 8. But it's food, so you know everybody's gonna be early. Anyways, let me show you the fragrance for tonight. This fragrance is Valentina, and listen to me, I did tell you guys, like, I'm gonna have to buy it. Let me just spray a little bit more. I don't want to finish it because it's half. It's legit. I love it so much. Like, I have to get another one, literally. But let me show you guys the fit, and now we're gonna head out. So this is the jumpsuit. This is from my online store that I used to have an online store. The bag is from The Real. This is MK brand. The shoes is Steve Madden. I am not liking the shoes with this jumpsuit, but I'm wearing silver. And I have another white slippers here, the MK, but it's very slack and I'm afraid it's going to burst while I'm there. So I'm just going to wear this ugly ass knockoff Hermes Steve Madden. I don't like it. I don't like how it fit my feet. That's why I never wear it, but everything else is gold. I could have wore my white bag that has gold and white accessories and gold accessories with my silver watch. But the thing is, the bag is too small, and I have my tripod in here and everything. I'm on a vlog. I'm on a vlog, and I want to have a tripod in my hand. So yeah. Anyways, let's head out because it's 9 o'clock.
Look what the hot body can do. Look. Focus. Look what the hot body can do. Body be dancing. Slow wine, so my body so fine. Try push, when I met her inside. 2-1, and I met her inside. Make sense, oh, make sense. Oh my God, I'm in resistance. Fragrance, money from a distance. Make sense, oh, make sense. Body be dancing. Controller. I get in both for my holder. I make your body slow and I slow down. Put it on the low, no go loud down. You know the things I wanna do tonight.